But hey, I just want to share this short little video. I'm sick for the last 3 days, so I barely could speak. But this afternoon I was lying in bed and listening to a brother's video that he made. I will share the link below. And as I closed my eyes listening to what he had to say, I saw the next moment this long blonde hair of a lady, and it starts from one stage to another. Next moment, at the end, it looks like oil was poured over her head, and it forms like halos all around her head. And I believe the Lord is saying to us, hold on to what you have. Hold on to my righteousness, because I have given you the breastplate of righteousness. I have declared you righteous and in right standing with me. Hold on to the full armor, because the end is drawing near. So always remember, stay focused, stay strong, stay blessed, but most of all, looking for that blessed hope, the soon return of our great God and Savior, Jesus Christ, the Messiah.